everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Premium for October of 2020. Just before we get started, I wanted to let you know that I am behind on my videos this month. I'm not usually this far behind, but I did mention in my Get Ready With Me video at the end of August, not September, I didn't film one in September, that I was house hunting, and just so happens midway through September I put an offer in and got my house. So cool. But the last few weeks have been crazy with paperwork and getting inspection done and appraisal done and all sorts of stuff that I have been behind on YouTube, very, very much so. And on top of that, I haven't even started packing yet, so that's great. My closing should be in about 2 weeks, so I'm excited for that. You will see me in this setup for the remainder of my October videos, and then potentially, hopefully, depending on how the move goes, November you'll see me in my new location. But I have not started packing yet. I have not gotten this house on the market. Yeah, and the holidays are coming up. Yeah. Let's go ahead and get into my Boxycharm Premium for October of 2020. I normally do this in a try-on style, but I did not do that this month because of the fact that I am so far behind on everything. So there it is. You're not getting a very good picture of the box. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right, so the theme this month is Candy Shop. And let's go ahead and jump into it. So let's start with these things on top. And then there's one thing down there and another couple things there. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. So I did get a complexion product this month. This is the Cosis Tinted Face Oil. I got it in the shade or tone 02, which is porcelain with neutral undertones. And come on. There it is. Okay, so it's just a white bottle. All right, let's see what this looks like. It is extremely liquidy. There it is, and it looks like it's going to be way too dark for me. So this is literally shade 2. Yeah. That is going to be way too dark for me. Maybe if I just blend it out and just have a really, really light coverage, it will be okay. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. All right. I wanted to get that off of my hand before I made a complete mess of myself. So, like I said, the Cosis Tinted Face Oil in 02. Tone 02 Porcelain with Neutral Undertones. A clean, featherweight, light coverage foundation and hydrating skin elixir. With application that takes as little as 10 seconds, the breathable formula evens skin tone, minimizes pores, and erases imperfections while supporting skin health. MSRP on that is $42. By the way, I'm on variation 78 is my variation. All right, let's pull the next item out here. This is from Laura Geller. It is the 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. It's in the shade Ruby Romance. I am not going to swatch this because I'm going to give this away to you guys because I don't think I will wear this shade. It's just a little bit too pinky for me. I do like reds, but this is just a little bit too pinky red for me. So this is going to go in my giveaway drawer. One of you guys are going to get it in the near future. This is the Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. And like I said, this is in Ruby Romance. No more air kisses. Our pure pigment formula stays true with soft satiny color that stays put from morning peck to midnight smooch. The uniquely curved applicator hugs lips for precise application. The built-in well delivers the perfect amount of color with each application. MSRP is $21. All right. Next item is this right here. So this is from Jouer. It is the Essential Lip Enhancer. So let's see what this looks like. All right, it's a little tube. Is this like a lip balm? It's got a little well in it. It looks like a lip balm. Nothing's coming out. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, it looks like a lip balm. Definitely looks like a lip balm. Smells florally. It's just a clear cream. Definitely feels like a lip balm. All right, so this is the Jouer Cosmetics Lip Enhancer. Infused with good-for-you ingredients, this lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. MSRP is $17. That's cool. I like getting lip balms, especially as we head into winter here. And my property is 5.5 acres. I have a lot of work to do outside. A lot of work to do outside. All right. This here is from Murad. It's the Hydrating Toner, which is cool. Hold bottle 8 to 10 inches away from face, close eyes, and mist evenly onto skin after cleansing. Then apply your Murad treatments to damp skin. All right. So, the Murad Hydrating Toner. An ultra-hydrating, alcohol-free toner instantly balances skin's natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. Sodium PCA helps replenish lost moisture, while chamomile and cucumber extracts soothe the skin. MSRP on this is $35. I wonder what it smells like. It smells perfumey, but it smells good. All right. Next item is this right here. This is the Go-To Skincare Exfoliating Swipies. That's what it actually says. It's these Swipies. That's cool. All right. Is this like a cleanser? The Go-To Skincare Exfoliating Swipies. They're very lightly damp. That's kind of weird. Just little pads. It smells medicinal. All right. The Go-To Skincare Exfoliating Swipies. These single-use exfoliating pads soaked in an all-natural solution get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. The well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of all AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and deeply moisturizes. And the MSRP on that is $35. All right, one more thing in here. One more thing? Yes, one more thing. Yep. There it is right there. This is from the box. There's like a little box in here and it's like bent weird. Oh, it's just in there crooked. All right. So this is the Illuminati X Issa. There it is. Designed by Isabel Bedoya. So I'm not going to open it because it is plastic wrapped. So I'm going to just leave it just the way it is. And this is the Illuminati Cosmetics Illuminati X Issa eyeshadow palette. Illuminati Cosmetics has collaborated with Isabel Bedoya for an ultra versatile palette. Create an evening glam look or perfect daytime look. The shades range from pastels to bright colors and neutrals. There's a look for every person. MSRP is $48. What I'm going to do is just try to put a picture of it right here so that you guys can see what the colors look like, because I don't want to open it. I have a lot of eyeshadows open, so I just want to leave that shut for now. But I'm excited to give it a try, and you're seeing what it looks like. So, recapping what I got in my premium box this month. I got the Illuminati Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, the exfoliating Swipies. I just think it's such a cute name. I'm sorry. The Murad Hydrating Toner, the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer, the Laura Geller 50 Kisses Liquid Lip Color, and then the Cosis Porcelain Shaded Tinted Face Oil. Overall, I'm pleased with this. I am not disappointed at all in this box. I will definitely get a usage out of it. Just the Jouer Lip Enhancer will probably be good for me, to be honest with you. It is $17. And then the Cosis Tinted Face Oil I'm going to do in an upcoming Foundation Friday, I'm sure. I'm just going to use it for one of those. So anyway, that is it for today's Boxycharm Premium video. If you liked it, I would always appreciate a thumbs up down below. If you have not yet, please go ahead and hit subscribe. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. One other thing before I go, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is niminis.com. The link is in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. Also, let me know what you got in your Boxycharm, either your Boxycharm Original or your Boxycharm Premium. I would love to hear what you guys got in your boxes if you get them, or let me know what you think of the box that I got this month. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you have any tips or tricks for how to move efficiently, let me know. We're only moving about a half a mile away from where we are now, so we're literally like less than 5 minutes from the new house. And that's probably part of the reason why I haven't packed up things yet, because I envision myself and my adult son actually just going throughout the day and moving things like one carload at a time. So I've already taken a week off of work, and we'll be using that time to move. So anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.